I'm sorry for being away for this long. It was not planned. I said let me take a big break and look for the root of all evil physically, but it turned out to be a long break. I think about 2 months or getting to 3 months now. Don't judge me. We listen, we don't judge. Okay, moving on. The last video I made, Glow users had complained. So yeah, I'm here with some codes for Glow users. Only Glow users, please. You might need to watch this video to the end because I have too many orishi for you guys. Might as well go ahead to save this video to come back later and rewatch it, and try out the codes as time goes on. First code is *777 *1 *1 again *2 *5 *1 again hash. So this code is going to give you 1 GB a day plan for $350. It's a fair offer if you are a Glow user that normally subscribe big money. At least this one is small money. You can just easily take along with it. The second option is 500 naira to get 2 gig for 1 day, including 1 GB night. The third option there is 600 naira to get 3.55 gigabytes. Inside the 3.55 gig, 2 gig is night and 1 gig point 55 is day plan. If I were you, I would set alarm night plan between 12 and 6 a.m. I think that's your night plan, or 5 a.m. I'll set alarm and use it and download anything I want to download. If you are a YouTuber or a content creator, use that opportunity to post your videos and schedule it to air on the daytime. Smart move. There's a way to go around all these things, even though they are night plans, or at least let's just think and outsmart them and still benefit from these offers. Okay, I'm not going to read all the options there, but I believe once you type the code on your phone, it will give you all the options and you can go ahead and choose the one that best suits you. Moving forward, the second code is *777 *1 *1 again *2 *7 hash. So this gives you opportunity to get 350 MB using 16 naira for 1 day, and it's between 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. That's a nice offer again, and it's a fair offer. Using 16 naira to get the whole 350 MB. Just know your way around this thing. Schedule your post, download all the movies, download all the apps that you want to download in the midnight. I don't need to explain all these things for you. You already know. So please stop complaining that all these things are night plan and all of that. At least they also give benefit of 1 gig to use during the day and maybe 2 gig or 1 gig at night. They normally share it. That's what I noticed about the Glow. So please, if I see a better offer, I will definitely bring it to you guys' table. But this is the only ones I could get my hands on right now. But moving on, if I see any good offers, I don't get skip here. I'll definitely come tell you guys. Okay. So third one is *777 *1 *2 *5 *1 again hash. And this you can use 350 to get 1 GB 1 day plan. Second option is using 500 naira to get 2 gig for 1 day, including 1 gig night. That means 1 gig day, 1 gig night, 2 gig with 500. If you are somebody that doesn't use data, you don't even need to complain with all these data subscriptions. You definitely benefit from it. Moving forward, the next code, I think the fourth code now is *777 *1 *2 *5 *3 hash. This you can get 500 MB with 200 naira. It will only last for 1 hour. This is good if you are uploading a video or you are so sure that the video that I want to download or the movies I want to download will be able to download within 1 hour. Because if network shake like this and the video have error and you start downloading it again, if it doesn't download within that 1 hour that it gives you, they're going to take their data back and you're back to square one. So this is kind of tricky. If you are doing anything with this kind of offer, you'll be so sure that you'll be done within an hour. That's the only way out. The second option here is using 300 naira to get 1 GB data. This will last you for 2 hours. I think this is better. This is better offer to compare to the first one that I mentioned, where you use 400 naira to get 500 MB. But in this case, you are using 300 naira. That's 150 per. And it's for 2 hours. It's better going for this 300, just 100 naira difference. Instead of doing that 200 naira, do the 300 naira. 2 hours, 1 gig, and you download anything I want to download, or you post anything that I want to post. Cheap now. And you'll be making Glow network. They got nothing on you, baby. Moving on. I don't know the code that we are now, maybe the fifth one, I guess. But here I have *777 *1 *2 *2 again hash. This offer, you use 1,000 naira to get 2.6 gigabytes of data 30 days, including 1.5 gigabyte night. The second option is using 1.5 to get 5 gigabytes, 30 days. The third option is using 2,000 naira to get shey unlike make I wetin be this? Using 2,000 naira to get 6.1 gigabytes of data, 30 days, including 3 gigabytes night. So the rest goes on and on. Like I said, look for the one that suits you and stick with it. I think I don't want this video to be long because I wanted an welcome back video plus this glow data. So I'll just put the remaining data codes and just grab it, try them out and choose the one that best works for you. Thank you for watching my video. If you are seeing this face for the first time, my name is Benny and this is Grow with Benny, where I teach everything that has to do with YouTube growth, social media growth, and how to open and successfully build your YouTube channel. Don't mind me that I slacked a bit, but no, I'm back again, baby. Serving you better. If you don't know, I say hairs, human hairs. So that's what I mean by I want to chase money offline. See you on my next one. Till I come your way next time, stay productive. Bye.